Guys, it's Ben here again today. If you've been watching my previous videos, you'd know that my throttle linkage is fucked. I'm gonna go and fix me linkage a bit. It's all fucked up and homemade, dodgy shit. Yesterday it actually fell completely apart, so today we're gonna try and dodgy it back up. Only needs the last 2 weeks, so see how we go. So this is the problem. This bit here is supposed to be, well, welded in here, but, well, it was brazed in there. This won't weld for some reason. Won't weld to that. So, we need to find a better solution. And then what happens is that this arm goes about there, that pin goes through there, in there, and sits in here, and then that has the little clevis on it that pulls on the throttle linkage there. Pushes on the throttle linkage actually. So that's what we need to make happen. So give me 10 minutes and I'll see if I've pieced something together yet. Alright, so here's what I've come up with. I've got a bolt that'll weld to this, so I've got to get that welded in just to stop it flopping. Even though it's pretty good fit as it is, I've got a little washer packet out a bit in there. It wasn't a washer, it was something I found. So anyway, that's the bit I had to fix. So it'll go back through here and the bolt will go back on this side, stop it moving. Then I've gone and got linkage from my Weber carbies. There was a spare one that come with it. So that's going to go in there on this bolt. Then this bit here and this bit here goes together. That goes out this side and comes across to this over here. And that's the plan. We just got to go get this bit welded up, and hopefully that'll fix some of the problems. See how we go. Alright, so we're finished. You can see I need to get another lock nut to go on there, just to hold, stop that nut spinning free. You got the arm I've adapted. That's the bit where it joins. I didn't end up welding it. I went and found a nut with a thread all the way through and just nutted it as tight as I could there. And she's sweet, that's not going nowhere. And then we come around to the dodgy cable linkage. And that's it. It's done. So now I've just got to get it to find its idle properly, because I've moved a lot of the shit and she's not quite idling back down all the time. So I'll sort that out, and that's it. That's my throttle linkage hopefully sorted for now. At least until the Weber's going. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a good day. Don't get sick.